If you need to recover your Crunchyroll account but don't have access to your email, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Crunchyroll login page. Go to the Crunchyroll website and click on the login option. This will take you to the page where you can enter your account details. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your username. Since you don't have access to your email, enter your Crunchyroll username instead. This will help the system identify your account. Step 4. Check for alternative recovery options. After submitting your username, check if there are alternative recovery options available, such as recovery through a linked social media account or phone number. Step 5. Contact Crunchyroll support. If you cannot recover your account through the previous steps, reach out to Crunchyroll's customer support. Provide them with as much information as possible to verify your identity. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Crunchyroll account even without access to your email. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.